The length of this video is in no way indicative of the amount of time it takes to perform this procedure. It should therefore not be used for estimating purposes. '99 through 2004 Ford Mustang front bumpers have a metal bracket held in place by 3 tabs on the plastic bumper. These flexible hinged tabs are very thin and are easily torn. These tabs can be repaired using a nitrogen welder, or it can be repaired using an airless welder and the 2045W stainless steel wire mesh. Use Polyvance's 1000 Super Prep to clean the repair area. For this particular repair, the tab will be completely reattached, so we'll need to use 80 grit sandpaper to remove the paint from the areas where the tab and the bumper will connect. Remove any excess plastic using a razor knife. Fit the tab to the bumper and measure the length of the reinforcing mesh that you will need later, then trim using snips. This repair calls for 2 strips equal in length. You might want to finely measure the mesh before you move on. Attach the tab using aluminum tape. We will now apply the reinforcing mesh. Since these tabs were designed to bend, we'll embed the wire mesh into the bumper and the tab, allowing the mesh itself to create a flexible hinge. Melt the mesh in place using an airless plastic welder. Use a screwdriver to push the mesh deeper into the plastic, and repeat as necessary. Use Polyvance's FiberFlex universal welding ribbon to weld the tab in place. Melt the FiberFlex onto the plastic and bury the wire mesh. Use the welder's heat to smooth and feather with the base material. Melt a crease into the plastic where the tab and the bumper meet to create a flexible hinge. Once it cools, remove the aluminum tape from the repair. Remove any excess plastic using a razor knife. Sand using 80 grit sandpaper, mechanically or by hand. Once you've finished, you may want to do some additional sanding in the crease by hand. Using whatever rotary tools you have access to, open up the bolt hole. Remove any masking tape and then reattach the metal mounting brackets. You may now apply primer or paint if you wish, but because this tab will not be seen on the vehicle, it is not necessary to do so. Just like that, you've completed this repair with help from your friends at Polyvance. Look to Polyvance for all of your plastic repair product and training needs. We offer iCar Industry Training Alliance courses as well as other hands-on classes in addition to the video resources you can find on our website and on our YouTube channel.